CT1 is an all-in-one waterproof and antifungal sealant and adhesive with incredibly high grab and is suitable for all building applications. With its unique tri-brid technology, it outperforms old hybrids and competitor sealants. This is a unique, environmentally compliant product which contains no solvents or isocyanates, is 3 times stronger and can be used both internally and externally in all dry or wet conditions. And that is why it's been voted by the trades the #1 sealant and adhesive. CT1 comes in a range of colours. It's not just white and clear, and other colours include grey, black, brown, anthracite, silver beige and oak. Due to its revolutionary formula, it's strong, flexible and resistant to heat, making it ideal for kitchen installations, including around ovens. And its superior colour retention ensures your installations will continue to look great. CT1 is the fastest bonding sealant and adhesive on the market and has a shelf life of 6 months once opened and 18 months unopened. CT1 offers an incredibly strong seal on virtually any material, including metals, glass, mirrors, wood, polystyrene and many more, such as lead, MDF, fiberglass, tiles, concrete, most stones without staining, most synthetic materials and plastics excluding PP, PE and PTFE. And once fully cured, CT1 can be painted. CT1 is the ultimate sealant and adhesive for all jobs. Its unique tri-brid formulation means it bonds immediately, seals instantly on application, and with unique flexibility won't shrink, crack or flake. CT1 clear and silver are used predominantly internally, but all colours have become the professional's choice in large-scale infrastructure projects. What you might not know is CT1 is food grade certified and conforms to ISEGA standards. So not only can it be used in domestic kitchens, but it's also suitable for commercial kitchens. CT1's made in Britain is the only product you need for all of your sealing and adhesive needs. Speak to your local builders merchants today to find out if they stock this revolutionary new product.